Welcome back to the Macro Golf YouTube channel. It's Joe here, founder of Macro Golf. And today I'm taking you through some exercises to start working on your ground reaction force and start to generate more speed and power. So if you're struggling to use the ground, know that you should be using the floor a little bit more in your swing. Maybe you're lacking power in a little bit of swing. Maybe you're struggling with sequencing. These exercises are really going to help you out, build a little bit more speed, power, consistency to your golf swing. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to quickly take you through a few exercises. You're going to need a few bits of equipment to do this. You're essentially just going to need a medicine ball or a slam ball. You see this one I've got here, this is quite a heavier one. This is an 8 kilo ball. I've got another one here, which is a 3 kilo ball. Any of these will be fine. The variance of weight is going to help, but as long as you've got one of these types of balls, that'll be fine, or some kind of bag or something you can throw aggressively onto the ground. I'm going to take you through these exercises. I'm going to show you full detail how to perform all of these exercises, and then I'll meet you back here to explain how you can start to program these into your training plan. This is our ground force reaction slam. So from here, we're going to start to feel the ground, and we're going to start to feel the pressures in the floor as we start to work side to side. So I've got the med ball here, starting to feel the pressures, and as we're going to work up into the top of a backswing, we're then going to slam the ball down as we work through into the ground and lift up the other side. So you can do it like this. I'm going to take my time, start to feel the pressures, and then I'm going to work up into a backswing and slam the ball down. You can see as I push into the floor, that's when the ball starts to work down to the ground. So we're trying to create this opposite powers of lifting up and slamming down. Working into the ground, shift, lift, and slam. This is a standard med ball slam. For this, we're trying to generate as much hand speed as possible and trying to drive this ball as hard into the ground as we can. Here we've got an 8 kilo ball. This can be done with a lighter ball, can also be done on a heavier ball as well. So we're going to start with the ball, both hands, hold on to the ball. We're going to bring the ball high up. We're going to feel ourselves lift as we use into the ground. And then we're going to slam this thing as hard as we can down into the floor. So it's going to look like this. This is our ground force reaction sway. For this, we're going to need quite a heavy ball. And we're going to start to feel the ground work from side to side. And we're just going to feel this ball start to sway as we go. It's a really good way for us to start to understand how the body starts to move. And you'll see here that my pressure into the ground starts before the ball moves in that direction. So I'm trying to get a feel for how my body works on a pendulum from left to right. I can increase height. I can work more in one way, or I can work more through the other way. Essentially, I'm just trying to time up my body's ground reaction force to the turn in my torso. This is our med ball slam with jump. So for this, we're going to take our normal med ball slam, which is working over the head, lifting up and slamming down. Here I've got an 8 kilo ball. We can do it with a lighter ball or with a heavier ball. And the difference here is as we start to lift and slam down, we're actually going to slam and jump as we work the hands down. So we think in the golf swing, we lift up, we drop, and as we lift up through the body, hands work down. So we're trying to create this type of body up, hands down motion. Ball works up and above the head, lifting up through the legs, down and slam. Do one more here. We lift up, jump as we slam. So now you've seen the exercises, you know what you need to do. Here's how I recommend you program it. We still need to be working on strength. That's really important. So make sure if you're doing a strength training plan at the moment, continue with your strength training plan. These exercises can be used as an addition to the strength training that you're doing to start producing a little bit more power and start to get you integrating into the ground a little bit more. What you can also do is you can do some of these movements before practice to start to feel some of the ground. So for example, some of the ones where you're starting to sway or slam, you can use this to start to feel the ground a little bit and warm yourself up ready for the swing. What we've noticed here in the studio is when we start going through some of these movements, naturally people take these positions into their golf swing and start using the ground a little bit better. So you might not necessarily need to think too much about making swing changes and technique changes. Hopefully this will just transition nicely across to your golf swing. So hopefully you found this video useful. Hopefully you found these exercises useful. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember also you can go to the Macro Golf app where you're going to find hundreds more exercises like this to help you build more speed and power in your golf swing. Until then guys, I'll see you in the next video.